In this video, we'll be covering an introduction to matrix multiplication and when you're able to do so. The basic idea of matrix multiplication is essentially in your new matrix, new entries will be the sum of a row by column multiplication. Don't worry, this sounds confusing. We'll be going over an example. Essentially, all you have to do is multiply the corresponding entries from the rows of A with the columns of B if you're finding, for instance, a matrix AB, and then add those two products together. In general, matrix multiplication is not commutative, such as matrix AB is not always equivalent to matrix BA. And also, matrix multiplication doesn't always work for all matrices. So when would matrix multiplication be possible? Now, it can be only possible when the number of columns in the first matrix is equivalent to the number of rows in the second matrix. For instance, if you're finding matrix AB, the number of columns in matrix A should be equivalent to the number of rows in matrix B. Finding the order of the matrices can also prove useful. So just by looking at the order of both matrices, is it possible to find matrix AB? And if yes, let's find the order of the resultant matrix AB. So we can see the order of matrix A is 3 by 2. Remember, order is number of rows by number of columns, and order of matrix B is 2 by 2. Now we can actually see that the columns of the first matrix, which is matrix A, is equivalent to the number of rows in the second matrix, with matrix B, since they're both a number of 2. And the order of the final matrix is actually the row of the first matrix by the column of the second matrix. So now we can see that it is possible to find matrix AB due to the column of the first matrix is equivalent to the row of the second matrix. Now let's say we have to find the order of the final matrix. Well, we've already gone that. That's 3 by 2. I hope this video helped. Comment down below any other math topics you want me to review. We're also, in the next video, going to be discussing how you can do matrix multiplication.